If you need to close your eBay account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Make sure to settle any outstanding transactions before proceeding. Step 1. Sign in. Log into your eBay account using your username and password. Ensure you are accessing the account you wish to close. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account section by clicking on your username or the My eBay link at the top of the page. From there, select account settings to find the options related to your account. Step 3. Find the close account option. In the account settings menu, look for the close account option. This may be located under the account preferences or similar section. Step 4. Review information. Read through the information provided about closing your account. eBay will outline any consequences, such as losing access to your purchase history or feedback. Make sure you understand these implications. Step 5. Confirm account closure. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to close your account. You may need to provide a reason for closing and confirm your decision. Once completed, your account will be scheduled for closure. After completing these steps, your eBay account will be closed. If you change your mind, remember that you may not be able to reopen the account or retrieve any information associated with it.